So overall, a very progressive budget. The Honorable Finance Minister has simplified taxes, attempted to reduce litigation, given a clear roadmap for new direct tax, bill to be introduced next week. So the best is kept for the next week. But even otherwise, if you look at all the sound bites that are coming from the Finance Ministry, whether it is tax friendliness, whether it is investor friendliness, talking about bilateral trade treaties, talking about 3 years of block period for transfer pricing, looking at setting up new GCs in tier 2 cities, and the icing on the cake is personal income tax reduction for individuals, 12 lakhs exemption, and then a graded, tax slab, again tinkering around that. So all welcome moves. The best part is the government is listening. So the feedback around TDS, TCS, ease of compliance, trusting the taxpayer, lesser scrutiny, more voluntary compliance, all these are steps in the right direction, and it will help grow the economy. Also, the reduction of income tax rates will put a lot of disposable income in the hands of consumers, thereby increasing GDP and consumption and industrial growth. On indirect taxes, again, there has been simplification. A lot of drugs have been brought out of tax liabilities, and overall rationalization on indirect taxes has been done. Of course, a little more could have been done in terms of certain sectors on GST, on rationalization, on insurance premiums, but perhaps that's for more to come. Overall, it's a very, very futuristic, progressive, and optimistic budget. Thank you.